Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys all doing all right. So today in this video I am going to do a quick unboxing of this OnePlus Nord N10 5G model that I recently bought from the Best Buy, and it's a 128GB storage and the 6GB RAM model. So just stay with me to see the unboxing video of this to know what you get inside the box. And I am also doing to do a quick startup to just show you guys how's the screen quality and performance of the phone. So if you are interested in the buying this phone in future, so just stay with me. Open the box. So now you greet with this package from the OnePlus. I'm going to check out what comes inside later. Let me first see the phone. So you get the OnePlus phone covered up in the plastic. So I think you just need to pull this cover to see the phone. So as you can see, this one is a midnight ice, I guess this color. It's look pretty awesome. It almost feel like a glass, but they said it's a plastic back. And this one is not support the wireless charging, so it's fine for me because I never use the wireless charging for charge my phone, so that's okay for me. The reason I bought it because of the currently I am looking to buy one budget phone for the short term. That's why I bought this one. Currently I am using Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus from almost like 3 years, and I'm really happy with that phone. But now I am facing some battery issue with that phone. That's why I am going to switch this phone for the short period of time, like a 1 year 2 year, and later I am going to switch back to the good phone. But for now this is a good phone for me, so I am going to set up and use this phone as my daily driver for a long time. Now let's check what else you get inside the box. So you basically get the USB charging cable, and also you get a charging adapter that very rare nowadays to see, because many company are opted out from this, giving it in the box. So OnePlus is giving this. It's really good. I don't need to buy an external one, so that's really good. So now let's check what kind of the port this phone has. So this one has a USB type C, and also it support the audio jack. So that's really good, because this feature also many company now removing from their phones. So I like it, they provide it. So as you can see, this is really nice and beautiful phone to look at. And I think box is empty now. We can start the phone. So I'm going to start up for the first time. So if you are interested, just stay with me. I don't know, I need to charge this phone. Oh, okay. So this one has some battery left, I think, inside the phone, so it's good. It start right away. You might have a little bit of the fingerprint shown up because it's very look like that. So you need to wipe periodically to, if you don't like the fingerprint on the phone. So as you can see, the phone is just started. Screen look really good to me, nothing to worry about. And this phone has the most of the feature that I am looking for right now. And this is a US version. I am currently in the US, so just wanted to share with you if you are around in the US. So let's start the phone. I need to set up a bit, so let me set up the phone and start off with the screen. Phone is currently setting up. Now the setup is complete. So phone is just started and it's showing up the home screen now. So it looks very smooth and responsive, so that's really good, that what I am looking for. And this phone also support the 19 hertz refresh rate, so that is also a really good thing for me to have. So it's look really nice to me. Let me check the camera quality real quick. So camera quality, it's also support an HDR, you can see. So it has the portrait mode, nightshade, pro mode. So hope it's really good. I think it support the 4K at 30 frame per second. I'm not 100% sure. It's also support the full HD at 120 hertz 128 frame per second, so that is also good for me. It has the panorama, time-lapse mode, so it's enough for me for now. I'm not going into the quick detail, all the detail about the phone, but I just wanted to share with the quick info that helpful for you to, if you are buying, if you want to buy this one. So this one about the phone. So it has the Snapdragon 690, 6GB RAM, 128GB model, 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel quad camera, and as I said, the 19 hertz refresh rate. So hope you guys get an idea about this phone, what to expect from this phone. And if you are looking to buy one, definitely I am recommending it because of the price range, because it just cost me around $300 in here in US. That's really good deal, because if you are break or have some issue, you don't need to worry about like you having a very uh, big damage on your pocket. So that's good. So I am definitely recommending this phone if you are looking to buy one. uh, so hope you guys like this video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. Have a nice day. Bye, take care, see you in the next video. Bye.